Una sa ating mga balita, todo alerto na rin ang hukbong sandatahang ng Pilipinas kaugnay ng halalan sa Mayo 13. Ito ay upang matiyak ang maayos at mapayapang eleksyon sa darating na Lunes. May report si Dina Pagibitan.
Naka-red alert status na ang pamunuan ng Armed Forces of the Philippines 3 araw bago ang 2013 midterm elections. Ito ay upang masiguro ang kahandaan ng lahat ng miyembro ng AFP sa pagbabantay sa eleksyon.
These are all in place, all systems goes, as we say. Our coordination with COMELEC and the Philippine National Police have been doubly heightened so that these efforts will be and will really be attuned to making the elections a safe and a free elections.
Samantala, nanindigan ng pamunuan sa pagiging neutral ng hukbo sa pagbabantay sa lahat ng lugar sa darating na Lunes.
We have been warning and been informing and advocating this to our soldiers on the ground, especially on the units that we have that are directly involved in securing polling centers, that they should be undertaking or they should be neutral without siding on any political party.
Gayunman, may kaukulang parusa sakaling makipagkasundo o makiisa sa mga kandidato ang mga sundalo sa pansariling interes.
Within the military justice system, yung ating General Court Martial, and of course, this is a clear violation of the Omnibus Election Code. So again, it is both a fair warning and an assurance to our to the Filipino people that the AFP will continue to remain neutral in these elections, will not be siding with any political parties on the matter. Let the people exercise the right to vote and choose the leaders that they want to lead.
Giit ni Brigadier General Domingo Tutaan, AFP spokesperson, tanging trabaho ng mga sundalo sa darating na halalan ay ang siguruhin ang ligtas at mapayapang eleksyon. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, ako si Dina Pagibitan.